Can you trade Forex on Quotex? Quotex is an online trading platform that has garnered attention for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of trading options, including Forex. However, its regulatory status and user experiences present significant concerns for potential traders. One key issue is that Quotex operates without oversight from major financial regulatory bodies such as the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) in the UK or the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in the United States. This lack of regulation means that Quotex is not subject to the stringent standards and protections that regulated brokers must adhere to. Consequently, traders have limited recourse in the event of disputes or issues with the platform. User reviews of Quotex are mixed. Some traders commend the platform for its intuitive design and the availability of a demo account, which allows users to practice trading strategies without financial risk. The platform's fast execution times and a variety of trading tools are also highlighted as positive aspects. However, there are also reports of withdrawal issues and concerns about the platform's legitimacy. Some users have expressed dissatisfaction with customer support and have raised alarms about potential scams. This duality of user experiences suggests that while the platform may have appealing features, it is also prone to serious drawbacks that should not be overlooked. Trading Forex on Quotex comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, the platform's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced traders. The availability of a demo account is another benefit, allowing new users to familiarize themselves with the platform and test their strategies without risking real money. Additionally, Quotex provides a range of trading tools that can enhance the trading experience, including charting tools and other analysis resources that many traders find useful. On the flip side, there are significant drawbacks to using Quotex for Forex trading. One of the most concerning issues is the platform's lack of regulation. Without oversight from recognized regulatory bodies, traders are exposed to a higher level of risk, as there are no guarantees of fair practices or financial protection. Moreover, some users have reported difficulties with withdrawing their funds, which raises serious questions about the platform's reliability. These withdrawal issues, combined with concerns about customer support and allegations of fraudulent activities, highlight the potential risks of trading on Quotex. In conclusion, while Quotex offers a user-friendly platform with various trading tools, its lack of regulation and mixed user reviews raise significant concerns. Potential traders should exercise caution and thoroughly research the platform before engaging in Forex trading on Quotex. Given the risks associated with unregulated brokers, it may be prudent to explore alternative platforms that offer robust regulatory oversight and a proven track record of reliability.